Hi everyone. In the problem statement, we are going to find the index of the first occurrence in a string. So here we have to take the needle. So let us take the example. If n equal to length of needle, there could be a situation that needle could be of zero value, or zero value insert could be an empty string. So in that case, we have to return -1. So if n equal to 0, return -1. Now we have to loop through this entire list. So for I in range 0 to length of haystack, -n plus 1. Now we are going to check if haystack of I plus n equal to needle. So if the first value you are able to find, then you have to return the index. So return I. In case nothing is returned, then you have to return -1 because you are not able to find a needle in the haystack. So this is a very simple computation that you have to do. So if I click on submit, it should run properly. It's a big O of n complexity, and it is beating 100% of the submission, and our memory is also pretty efficient. So here we have just solved this problem using a few simple lines. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.